People have been asking themselves, why do I have bad luck? And most of the time, people blame their bad luck. I was the same person till 2018. I would always blame my bad luck. The big problem is people don't understand that the only thing standing between you and your good luck is your mindset. Everything is about your mindset. And in today's video, I'm going to brief you about 5 powerful things to get rid of bad luck. Hi, my name is Amol Karale. I'm an MRM known as an morning ritual miracle and law of attraction specialist, and till date I have trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money and spiritual. So please make a lot of notes. I'm going to deep dive into these 5 things. First thing, believe you control your life. You only can control your destiny. And if you really want to get rid of bad luck, start developing a growth mindset. There are 2 mindsets: fixed mindset and growth mindset. Most of the people are living their life in fixed mindset. But if you really want to change your life, start living in a growth mindset. What is growth mindset? Where you don't take criticism in a negative way. You take feedback, you read books, you invest in your personal development, you become a humble learner, you are ready to empty your cup. You feel that you need to have a mentor in life. You have coaches, you have trainers who can help you, to support you. And the moment you start developing growth mindset, you will start seeing good luck in your life. And the last important thing is, in this thing, take 100% responsibility for your life. You need to take, instead of blaming other people, start taking 100% responsibility for your own life. So that's the first thing, which is believe you only can control your life. Second, recognize your need for growth. Now see, as per Tony Robbins, we all human beings are driven by 6 human needs: certainty, significance, variety, love, growth and contribution. And these are the 6 needs that affect all our decisions. And if you feel that you're struggling, or if you're having a lot of bad luck, you can get back on track by recognizing and fulfilling your deep human need for growth. See, when I was going through struggles and challenges, I really studied the 6 human needs in deep. Now, what are the 6 human needs? How to identify? I will make a separate video on it. So you need to recognize your need for growth. And please understand, there's one more quote from Tony Robbins. He says, if you're not growing, you are dying. So you need to grow. If you're struggling in your life, the reason you're struggling, the reason you're going through some challenges, because you are not growing. You are not learning new things. You're not working on your mindset. So that's the second thing. Recognize your need for growth. Third thing, change your story. The way you talk to yourself. See, when you blame your problems on bad luck, and you're telling yourself a story about your life that is disempowering, you're attracting a lot of negative vibration, because you're always using that negative word: bad luck, bad luck, bad luck, bad luck, and it is going deep into your subconscious mind. See, the reason people say bad luck, because you're getting stuck in your limiting belief. What a limiting belief? Limiting belief like, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, my English is not good, I can't make videos, I have a lot of pimples on my face, I can't speak good English. So you have a lot of limiting belief. If you really want to have good luck in your life, start converting all disempowering belief into empowering belief. The moment you change your belief, the moment you change your patterns, you'll start seeing good luck. So that's the third point: change your story. Fourth thing, which is very, very important: focus on success. Please understand, where focus goes, energy flows. If you start focusing on success, you will get success. If you focus on struggle, failure, challenges, you will get the same thing in your life. That's how the law of attraction works. That's how the universe works. And Tony Robbins has summed it up: whatever you consistently think about and focus upon, you move forward. And how you can start feeling about success? When you start visualizing every day, every morning, as soon as you wake up, close your eyes and start visualizing your dreams, your goals that you want to achieve in your life. Visualize your day, visualize your actions. What are actions you want to take? What are the small baby steps you want to take to change your life? So that's the fourth point. Fourth thing, focus on success. Fifth, practice gratitude. Most of the time, people are not grateful for or thankful for the things that God in us has gifted them. They always complain. And it's good to have more things. It's good to have more dreams, more goals. But are you really grateful for the things that you have at present? See, because please understand, when you are grateful, fear disappears and abundance appears. And beautiful statement that I want to read out: a state of total gratitude. A state of total gratitude cannot coexist with negative emotions, which is what makes it such a powerful tool to change your bad luck. So, in short, every morning start practicing gratitude. Start writing all the beautiful things that you're grateful for. Think about the beautiful things that God and universe has gifted you. Thanks to your parents, thanks to your family members. When you reach an office, thank to your boss. There are so many things that is happening in your life. The moment you are in a gratitude state, you will start feeling good luck in your life. If you start implementing all these 5 powerful things, you'll start seeing some amazing good luck. This is what I have done to change my belief from a bad luck to good luck. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of lives by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life. See you in my next video.